Sure, here's a natural-sounding YouTube video script for a 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air review, written in an engaging, cinematic tone. The legend is back, and it's not just a throwback, it's a reimagination. Meet the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. A name that once defined the golden era of American cruisers, now reborn for a new generation of drivers. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the new Bel Air captures your attention. Classic lines meet modern muscle. The front fascia, a bold reinterpretation of the 57 grille, accented by LED blade headlights and a subtle chrome strip that pays tribute without feeling dated. Chevy didn't just bring back the past, they've infused it with the future. Under the hood, you've got options. The base model packs a punchy turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder, tuned to 310 horsepower. But for purists, the SS trim delivers a roaring 6.2-liter V8, pushing over 450 horsepower, with a soundtrack that turns every street into a stage. And yes, rear-wheel drive is standard. Step inside, and you'll see where nostalgia meets tech. Diamond-stitched leather seats, a retro two-tone dashboard, and a digital cluster that mimics analog gauges. A 15-inch touchscreen anchors the center console, seamlessly integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's new AI-assisted driving suite. And it's not just about speed or looks. The 2025 Bel Air rides on GM's updated Alpha platform, meaning sharp handling, precise steering, and a ride that balances comfort with confidence. Whether you're cruising the coast or carving up canyon roads, this car delivers. Safety. It's loaded. Automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and even a classic-inspired rearview camera housed in a faux tailfin. It's the little details that make this car something special. Now, let's talk trims. The Classic Edition embraces full retro vibes, white walls, pastel paint options, and vintage badging. Meanwhile, the RS trim goes full modern muscle, blacked-out trim, forged wheels, sport suspension, and a deep growl every time you tap the throttle. And here's the kicker, Chevy's also releasing a limited-run electric Bel Air. Zero emissions, instant torque, and a range of 320 miles. It looks just like its V8 sibling, but underneath. A dual-motor setup that goes 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. The future never looked so classic. Pricing starts around $39,000, with loaded SS and EV trims reaching into the high $60s. Not cheap, but considering what you get, it's a fair price for an icon reborn. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just a car. It's a statement, a fusion of heritage and innovation. It's for the dreamers, the collectors, the next-gen gearheads who want to remember the past, while driving full speed into tomorrow. If you love the Bel Air legacy, this one's worth the wait. And if you've never known it before, this is the perfect way to be introduced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What do you think of the new Bel Air? Classic revival done right, or did Chevy miss the mark? Let's talk. See you in the next one. Let me know if you want this script tailored for a specific tone, e.g., car vlogger, cinematic review, or dealership promo.